Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you guys how to make good thumbnails. So you're going to open up the app called Phonto, press the little button in the middle on the bottom, then press plain image, press the white one, and then there's going to be two numbers on the top. You're going to press that number and then click on the first one that says custom. You're going to change the size to 1280 by 720, which is the size that you need for thumbnails. Then you're going to press the little box with the arrow in it at the top, and then you're going to press use. So there are 3 bars on the left side of the bottom row, and then you're going to press that and then press add item, and then you can scroll through the tabs. Well, not scroll, but you can like click through the tabs and you'll find a little square. Press that square, and then I got 2 of those and I'm just changing the color and sizes of them. I also tilted them for the type of thumbnail I was going for, but like if you just use the app you can kind of figure out how to do that, because I mean I showed it on camera, but like you basically just scroll through to get the colors like back and forth, and then you can press on the boxes and then it'll give you like the little tab of like the color, the size, and all of that. So yeah. Then I pressed the little box with the arrow coming out of it on the bottom right corner again, and then that's how I saved it to my camera roll, and then I just kind of stayed on the app and then I opened it up from my photo albums. So that's how I got it to be like the right thumbnail size, I guess. And then I'm not really like slowing down this part because it's not like you can just see what I'm doing. It's easier to see than for me to explain. So basically I'm just like choosing all the fonts and typing in what I want my thumbnail to say, and then I showed you guys how to get the little pill text, which that's why I slowed that part down for you. And then I'm just changing the color of everything, changing the sizes. I mean, you guys can kind of see how to do that because it gives you the option, so that I don't really have to explain myself because it's self-explanatory. So I'm literally just like changing the sizes, shapes, and styles of everything. So I'm moving it around because I wasn't happy with how it looked before, and then it took me a really long time to find the right fonts for this. That's why I like jump cut it out. But basically after you're done having all your fonts, you can move everything around to the position you want to. And then I got this little phone PNG on my camera roll, so I went to the little 3 bars on the bottom left corner. Then I pressed add image, I think. And then that's how I got it from my camera roll onto the Phonto app. So that is what I did. And even after all of that, I was still adjusting it. So you guys are just really going to have to play around with everything. And then I took a screenshot of my phone, and then I put that on top of the iPhone. So it just looks like a, I don't know, like an iPhone, I guess. And then I just saved it to my camera roll again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching!